Are you ready to dive into the world of welding and showcase your creativity? In this video, we will present you with 5 inspiring DIY welding project idea that will leave your friends and family in a whether you are beginners or to experienced welder with project to challenge your skill and help you expand your horizons. So let's fire up and welder and get started. Our first project is unique and functional industrial style, coffee table and combining metal pieces, plates and reclaimed wood to create to sturdy and stylish centerpieces for your living room. What is a welding torch expertly joins the metal components, forming an eye-catching base. Then a touch of craftsmanship and wooden top is added, providing a rustic charm and complement by decor. Get ready to skip your coffee in style. Next up, we have a dazzling fire pit that will transform your backyard into a cozy gathering pot. With your welding skill and some steel shards, you can shape an elegant and durable fire pit below. Watch as a spark fly and metal take form. Showcase your ability to sculpt and shape with presence. Once completed, this fire pit will become the focal point of your outdoor space. Perfect your roasting marshmallow or enjoy a relaxing evening with friends and family. Moving on, let's explore the welding of medieval art. By combining various material and employing your welding expertise, you can create a stunning masterpieces to adorn your walls. Whether it's intricate nature, inspired design, or a blood abstract pieces, the possibilities are endless. Witness as spark dance, merging the metals into a harmonious composition with his stroke for the vulture, your imagination come to life, leaving a lasting impression on anyone who gazes upon your artistic creation. Now let's turn our attention to a practical yet stylish project, a homemade metal bookshelf. This project is perfect for organizing your favorite book, showcasing your collection, or even display decorative items with metal tubes, angle iron, and your trusty welding machine. You will create a strong and visually appealing bookshelf. It elevate and warm join as a witness and transformation of raw material into a function and artistic pieces of furniture. Last but not least, we present you with welding project that combines innovation and eco-friendly. A major garden planter by repurposing old metal bars or sheets. You can create a unique planter that adds a touch of industrial charm to your garden. Watch as the welding process bring new life to discarded materials, turning them into visual that nature vibrant plants and flowers. Let your welding skill bloom in this eco project of showcase your passion for sustainability. And there you have it, five fantastic DIY welding projects that will unleash your creativity and impress everyone around you. Either you choose to tackle in industrial, profitable to amazing fire pit, the captivating metal wall art, the practical bookshelves or eco-friendly garden planter. Each project other enhanced to refine your welding skill and express your rustic vision. So grab your welding helmet, engage your passion for DIY and let's spark. We hope you found this welding project idea inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to our more exciting and DIY content. And remember, safety always comes first when working with welding equipment. Stay project and have fun exploring the timeless possibilities of welding.